In today's video, I want to show you this amazing French recipe for madeleines. Different people pronounce them differently, so please excuse me if I do pronounce them wrongly. To make these beautiful fluffy pillows, you have to start by putting together the eggs and sugar in a bowl. Whisk them together until well combined, and then add the honey. Continue whipping until the sugar has dissolved and the eggs have become pale and a little bit fluffy. You can do this process in your stand mixer if you prefer. Next, add the lukewarm milk to the eggs. Then sieve the flour and baking powder. Make sure to whisk everything together very well until nice and silky. Next, add a little bit of vanilla extract, lemon zest, and the pre-melted lukewarm butter. And again, make sure to whisk everything together until well combined. Next, cover tightly the bowl and place it in the fridge for 1.5 hours to chill. Prepare the specific mold for these madeleines by oiling gently and dusting with flour. Once the mix has chilled, it will be slightly thicker and ready to be piped in the mold. Make sure to pipe the batter about 2/3 of the mold. Bake in a preheated oven at 190 Celsius or 375 Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes or until achieving nice golden brown coloring. Once baked, take out the madeleines directly from the hot tin on a cold tray and cover with plastic. This will make the madeleines much moister for a longer time. You can store them for up to 1 week in an airtight container at room temperature. Thank you for watching this video and we really hoped you enjoyed it. If you did, please give us a hand by subscribing to this channel with the bell button, liking, sharing this video and commenting down below.